If you are wondering if we have dynamic island on OPPO Reno 15, then the answer is yes, and it is actually called live alerts. You can find some settings related to that feature by going to settings on your phone. Then we can proceed to notifications and quick settings, and then in here we have live alerts, where we have like a little information about this feature and how it works. You can also see some apps and services that are synchronized with the live alerts capsules. So you can adjust them if you want to, but generally speaking, a couple of different things, like for example even the media player, maybe even calls and so on, they can be displayed at the top where we have the front camera. And there we go. As an example, I started listening to Spotify, and I can actually tap on this live alert in order to display this little banner where I can control the songs, and just to of course show how it looks like without the dark wallpaper. There you go. As you can see, this is how it looks like. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.